What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Suku, which has pumped up over 35% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at just over the 5 cents target. So I'm going to be going through, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and of course looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go and how low can it go as well? When is it time to invest into it? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value, or even is it a good investment to be investing into the crypto, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we can see here Suku has managed to gain a massive 37% in the last 24 hours. Over the last hour, yes, it has taken quite of a dip of 8%, but that is normal because when a crypto does a huge percentage increase, it is likely to dip in between. As you can see, even earlier today, pumped up 25, dropped a little bit, pumped up again. Yeah, it's been full on peaks and dips over the last 7-8 hours, and over the week it is up 32%, and over the month it has just about been 1% down. As you can see, major drops here back in December, and as soon as it hit about January, it started to slowly pump up in value. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 180% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.6 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded on Suku. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So we are going to see a lot of people investing into it, and also a lot of people selling it, hopefully taking out their profits and potentially reinvesting into the crypto when it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the moment, we are looking at the daily chart, guys, and at the top, we do have the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Suku, which at the moment is 0.04113 here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here at 0.05241 in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into the predictions and so on, I just want to say this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. A typical one, and again is looking very steep, which can only mean one thing. If you guys have been watching my videos, you're going to know what I'm going to say. Yes guys, it is not realistic. Only reason for that is because the lines are looking quite steep, and the only reason for that is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is only because what's happened in the last few hours, and that is not the case. And as I previously mentioned plenty of times in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Suku. So as you can see, it's already started to drop down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to drop further around towards the 0.045 cents target. Somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting it to be trading by early hours of tomorrow. But don't get me wrong, in between that time it's likely to pump up in value, maybe even to the 6 cents target, slightly higher than the 6 cents target, and then drop back down in value. So yeah, it is going to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Exact same here, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a steep direction. So once again, that is not realistic, and the exact same reason applies here. So over the next couple of days, so let's say over the next 7-8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Suku to be dropping down in value, down to around the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting Suku to be trading at by the end of next week. However, guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days, of Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, just like the 30-minute chart. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we got the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction. However, in this case, they are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning it is much more realistic than the previous two charts, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Suku over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about towards the end of February, early March 2023, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value on Suku, potentially heading to around the 8 cents target is what I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at towards the end of February and early March as well. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs. With any crashes or major bull runs and price bumps and so on, will have a major negative or positive impact, not just on the value of Suku but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will try and keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Suku, guys. And again, those of you asking, is it a good time to invest right now? Personally, guys, I would wait for it to drop back down in value, only because it's done a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time. It's likely to drop back down in value. So if I wouldn't invest into a crypto like Suku, but if I really wanted to, I would wait for it to drop back down, as it is a very risky time to get into it right now, as it's pumped up over 35% in value over the not even 24 hours, but around the last 8 to 10 hours. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got a long way to go to hit the resistance target here to get into the green zone of 38 cents. And as you can see, requires approximately, I would say, about 400 to 500% increase, which I'm not expecting from Suku anytime soon. So more or less, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for at least the next 6 months, and hopefully towards the second half of the year or towards the end of the year, we should be able to head into the green zone depending on the market conditions. But as I mentioned, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto and most other cryptos that I've been covering on this channel. Let me know if you guys want regular updates on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel that I haven't covered yet, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.